Hello and welcome back to Villa Oliva.
Good morning, everyone. Always good to be back. We're back. It's a bit of a rainy day today, so unloading will be a bit troublesome, but so we'll wait for the rain to clear and then we'll start unpacking all the stuff that we brought. There has been a lot of wind and storm while I was gone, so a lot of the things, all the rubble that I cleared in the garden, all the plastics and glass and everything is a bit scattered around now. Happens, I guess. So that's it for the roses. They can grow while we continue to work. So these are the raspberries that we got from my parents' garden. These are the kiwis that we have. And we got some other trees, some cherries, some roses, and some glass that we're gonna use to build a greenhouse up there. But that'll be for a later date. But this will be, I'm so excited to start with this. But first things first, plants. All right. Now we obviously need to put them somewhere. Last time you saw me dig these, they're doing quite well. So we got some garlic here and some onions. Well, quite a lot of onions. We got some potatoes that are hiding just underneath here. Some more potatoes there. Some white snowball onions there and some more onions. And finally we have these. Put these in the ground, otherwise I wasn't able to water them. This will not be the final place for these trees and bushes, obviously. But now we need a spot for all the raspberries and stuff. I really need to start designing the whole garden, I think. My dad had a motorcycle accident, so he's taking it slow. So I'm doing all the heavy lifting, as I should do, but he's taking it a bit easy. So the thing with these apple trees take time, right, to grow. So my thinking was, if we can get a lot of plants, a lot of trees especially, in the ground now, they can grow while I work on the rest of the villa. Obviously it's gonna take some keeping up of the garden to do and like working in the garden. That's all right. So that was the thinking behind the trees. So we got these 10 apple trees that my dad got for me. I think we're gonna try to plant them alongside that little canal there. Thanks, Sandra, for letting me buy this pellet stove. This will make sure that next winter we'll have some heating, finally. We got this closet from the parents of Lyanne, so thanks Paul and Marlene, much appreciated. Alright, it's time to get this glass off and then transport it up there.
Je moet wel plek voor na. Zeker niet. Alleen met zoveel, nu echt.
And these are the last panels. And this is actually half of the glass that I bought. So next time I'll bring the other half. And then at least glass-wise, we're covered for making the greenhouse. But that'll be later this year, hopefully. And that's it for now. That is quite a bit of glass. And this is only half. So next order of business is making sure that we can plant some stuff. So last time we saw that there is a lot of gravel underneath all this area. So what we're gonna do now is take that gravel and we're gonna put it about here. Later we'll make like a seeding area here or something like that. For now though, we're gonna store our gravel. So I'm gonna clear out this area that we can buy some compost, put it there, and then we can plant some things. And we do need it because I went totally ham on all these seeds and everything. It's a little bit of a big side quest, but all part of the project. As always, the usual amount of trash. And we're about to remove our first outside shower. It almost feels weird, like something is sort of growing up, like this was our first shower, and now I have to remove it. So we're making progress. Good memories though. I just found more plastic, and I don't even know, it's not even plastic anymore, it's sort of fabrics as well. Oh no, a little piece of plastic like that. The pile of trash. I think I saw some Halloween costume. Look at that. Oh well. I'm happy that all of this is not in the garden anymore. It's getting quite dark, so I'm calling it quits. Thank you for supporting us by watching this episode, and hope to catch you in the next one. Ciao.